It's close to impossible for me to lift heavy weights the night I don't sleep properly. Although I'm currently on a polyphasic sleep schedule where I'm getting only 4 hours of sleep at night and then I compensate the rest of the hours with naps throughout the day. I will discuss this later on, but for now know this, that sleep deprivation is not only linked with grumpy or grogginess, also linked with increased risk of chronic diseases. Plus, you cannot lift heavy weights. In a meta-analysis published in the year 2001 of more than 1 million male and female participants, suggests that either lack of sleep, that is less than 6 hours, or more than 9 hours can increase the risk of death by 10%. So what are the common symptoms of sleep deprivation? First is feeling fatigued throughout the day. There is lack of creativity. There may be unwanted weight gain as lack of sleep increases appetite and cravings for junk and fried foods. You may even start to look old as your skin will appear bad because of excessive cortisol, which is the stress hormone, is released during sleep deprivation, which breaks down collagen. This causes skin wrinkling and premature aging. There will also be no energy for your workouts. Your reaction time will drastically reduce, render you at high risk for driving. And lastly, your immune system will suffer, which can make you more vulnerable to cold and flu. All this sounds scary, but unfortunately, it's true. And my strong recommendation is to make sleep your priority and do whatever it takes to get the optimal recommended time between the sags. So what is the sweet spot when it comes to sleeping? First things first, quality matters over quantity. However, a minimum time period of sleep is important as well. So how much sleep you need also depends on your age, how stressful you are, and other variables. So let's first see the chart designed by the sleepfoundation.org. As you can see from the above chart, a newborn needs the most sleep, that is anything between 14 to 17 hours. All parents listening to this will agree, a newborn infant and a toddler needs the most sleep. My son, who is 4 years old, every single day he sleeps in the afternoon for a few hours, in addition to getting at least 8 to 9 hours at night. And once you become an adult, the recommended sleep period decreases and the range is between 7 to 9 hours. Now please note, this is undisturbed sleep, constant peaceful sleep. And in the next lectures, I will give you ways, tips and hacks that will be very helpful in getting deep and peaceful sleep. But for now, just know that our job is to sleep for minimum 7 hours every day and ensure that these hours are of highest quality sleep you can get. The maximum limit is 9 hours, and going beyond that can result in issues, as I mentioned in one of the studies early on. See, once in a while going above 9 hours is okay, just don't make it a habit to oversleep. So now we know that an adult needs 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every day. And lack of sleep can result in a host of problems, including some deadly chronic disease or even an early death. Bottom line, a lack of sleep can not only negatively affect your health, but can also make you look ugly. In the next lecture, I shall discuss about various sleep stages.